Once upon a time, in a world bustling with vibrant colors and lively creatures, there lived a raven who was deeply dissatisfied with his life. Perched on a branch, he cried out in despair, believing that happiness belonged to everyone else. A wise monk, resting beneath the tree, felt a drop of the raven's sorrow land on his cheek. He looked up and gently asked, "My friend, what troubles you so?" The raven, with a heavy heart, lamented, "Oh, wise one, I am shunned by all. No one loves me, and I go hungry while others bask in joy. Death seems a kinder fate than this wretched existence." The monk listened intently, his heart swelling with compassion. "Ah, dear raven, true happiness comes from within. We must learn to appreciate our circumstances," he advised, but the raven was too lost in his misery to grasp this wisdom. "Tell me," the monk continued, "what do you wish to become? I can help you with my mantra." The raven's eyes sparkled with hope as he exclaimed, "If only I could be a swan." The monk nodded, but first instructed, "Go and ask the swan if he is truly happy." The raven took flight, eager to find out. He soon spotted the swan gliding gracefully on a shimmering pond and proclaimed, "You are so beautiful. You must be the happiest bird in the world." The swan replied with a sigh, "Not at all, dear raven. I may be admired for my beauty, but I long for the vibrant colors of others. I believe the parrot must be the happiest bird." Curiosity piqued, the raven soared off to find the parrot. Upon finding him, he said, "You are so colorful. Surely you are the happiest of us all." With a heavy heart, the parrot responded, "I fear for my freedom, as I am often caged." Perhaps the peacock is the happiest creature with his stunning plumage. And so, the raven sought out the peacock, who was proudly displayed in a zoo, surrounded by crowds. The raven exclaimed, "You are so magnificent. People flock to see you. You must be the happiest of all." The peacock, however, spoke sadly, "I believed I was the happiest, but my beauty has become my prison. People take my feathers, and I long for freedom." In truth, you dear raven, are the only bird unencumbered by a cage. In that moment, the raven realized his own worth. He flew back to the monk, bursting with newfound joy. "Oh, wise one, I no longer wish to be anything other than what I am. I am grateful for my freedom and my life as a raven." This tale reveals a profound truth. We often fall into the trap of comparing ourselves to others, forgetting to cherish the unique blessings we hold. Embracing who we are and what we have can unlock the door to genuine happiness. Remember, the most content among us are those who find joy in their own journey, rather than envying the paths of others. So let us celebrate our individuality and always keep smiling.